Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe to edit PDFs. We'll start with the basics. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Then, navigate to the Edit PDF tool in the right-hand pane. This allows you to directly click and edit text, just like a word processor. You can change fonts, sizes, and even replace or resize images with just a few simple clicks. It's incredibly intuitive for making quick corrections or updates. Now, let's dive into some more advanced editing features. Adobe Acrobat Pro allows you to add new text boxes or insert fresh images anywhere on your document. For sensitive information, you can use the redaction tool to permanently black out text or graphics, ensuring privacy. You can also easily add professional touches like headers, footers, and page numbers. Plus, the Organize Pages tool lets you rotate, delete, or reorder pages with ease. Beyond editing content, Adobe Acrobat Pro excels at organizing your documents. You can effortlessly combine several PDF files into one single, cohesive document, perfect for reports or presentations. Conversely, if you have a large file, you can easily split it into multiple smaller, more manageable PDFs. Rearranging the order of pages within a document is also straightforward, and you can even extract specific pages to create entirely new PDF files. It offers great flexibility. Finally, let's talk about securing and sharing your polished PDFs. Adobe Acrobat Pro allows you to protect your documents with a password, restricting access to authorized individuals only. You can also set specific permissions, controlling whether others can print, copy, or edit the file. Once ready, sharing is simple. You can email your PDF directly or upload it to various cloud services. Plus, you can convert your PDF to other formats like Word or Excel for broader compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.